Hello everyone, welcome to Viddeos.ai. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate and use the editor page and AI tools to customize your videos. First, let's generate a video from a script. I've prepared a script here about a story I want to turn into an AI film. I'll paste it into this box. Once you've entered your script, click Submit. It will process your script and take you to a new page where you can see the content that has been generated. I've reviewed the details, so we can now click Generate. Now we have the generated video, and we can start editing. On the upper right side of your editor, you'll see an option to switch between Expert and Pro mode. Let's start by switching to Pro mode. In this mode, all you have to do is type in the adjustments you want for your project. For example, if I want the subtitles to display 3 words at a time, I just type that in and click Generate. It will automatically apply the update. Let's try another example. Suppose there's an image you want to replace. Just scroll through to find the scene you want to edit. Then I'll type in, replace the current image with people watching and celebrating in the streets together. That's Pro mode. Now let's head back and switch to Expert mode. The first thing you'll notice in the editor is the Script tab. If you want to make changes to the script, just click Edit Content right here. For Scene 1, you'll see 6 text boxes, which correspond to the 6 clips displayed on the right side of your editor. For example, if you want to edit the script for the first image or clip, you can make the changes here. Once you're done editing, click Save. You'll see a notification in the upper right corner that says Success, indicating that the voiceover has been updated successfully. When you're finished editing the script for a scene, click Done Editing, and you can repeat the same process for Scene 2. If you want to add a new scene or chapter to your video, click Add New Chapter, input the additional script you'd like to include, and then click Add Chapter. This will generate a new scene with a corresponding image that you'll find here. Now, let me show you some additional AI features that can help you edit your images. First, select an image and click the Edit button right here. This will take you to a new section where you can either edit or regenerate your image. The first option is called In Paint. For example, if you want to modify the flag in the image, simply adjust the brush size and mark the flags. If you want to erase the mark to redo it, just click the Clear button right here. Once that's done, type in what you want to change it to. For instance, the flag of the United States. Then click Generate. Next is the Erase option. Just highlight the object you want to remove and hit Generate. Another powerful feature is Replace, where you simply describe the object you want to swap out and what you want to replace it with. For example, let's change the sky to a nighttime scene and click Generate. When you're satisfied with the outcome, just click the Use this result button to apply your edits. Now let's move on to the Media tab. All the clips displayed here can be replaced with another image or video. You have several options. You can upload your own image or video, or you can also browse through the available stock section for stock images and videos. For example, if you want to search for a specific video, such as Moon, type it in the search bar and click Search. You'll see several videos that you can use. Just click the one you want, and it will automatically update with the new video. You can also generate AI images directly in this tab. Next is the Presets tab. Presets are effects and transitions you can apply to your clips. For example, if I want to add a transition to the second slide, I'll click on it, select Real Blur Transition, and click Apply Preset. The transition will then be applied to the slide. Now let's move to subtitles. You'll find a variety of subtitle styles to choose from. For example, let's try Matcha. If you want to customize your subtitle further, go to the Customize tab. You can toggle subtitles on or off, and if needed, adjust their position on the screen. You also have the option to change the number of words per line. Let's say, for example, we set it to 4. You can modify the font, its weight, and the size of your text. If you'd like, you can adjust the alignment, style, capitalization, letter spacing, and line height to make it just right. You can also change the text color or add an active color, which highlights the subtitles as the video plays. Just like this. If you'd prefer a background color for your subtitles, you can add that as well, or remove it if you decide it's not necessary. And finally, you can tweak the stroke color and thickness, or even add a shadow to the text for extra emphasis. Alright, let's move on to the Style section. Here, you'll find 5 different style options to choose from. For this example, let's go with the translucent style. You can also adjust the animation settings for the words, sentences, and active background to match the look you're going for. And finally, if you'd like to randomize the rotation of the subtitles, you can toggle this feature on. It will create a fun dynamic effect like this. But for now, let's keep it turned off. Now let's move to the Music tab. Here you'll find hundreds of background music tracks for your project. You can filter them by category to find the right track. For example, let's choose Dramatic. Click the play button to preview the music, and if you like it, click the plus button to add it to your video. You can also adjust the volume. Next up is the Voice tab, where you can edit the voiceover for your video. Here you can choose whether to view all voiceover options or filter them by male or female voices. You can select the language you want from the drop-down menu and even pick a mood that matches the tone of your video. To preview a voice, click the play button next to it. If you like it, click the plus button and then generate voiceover. This will update the voiceover for the specific slide you're on. If you want to apply the voiceover to all slides, click Apply to All Scenes. Now let's move to the title section. This is where you can add a title to your clip. Simply type in your title, select a style, and it will appear on the page. Once you're done editing, click Save and then Render. You'll be redirected to the home page where your project will show as exporting. Wait a few minutes, refresh the page, and once it's ready, click Download to save your video. And there you have it. That's how you can customize your video inside the editor. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.